Nature does it best. Permaculture can heal the land. What is permaculture? Permaculture is the philosophy of bringing people, land, resources, and the environment all into one place. It is a sustainable farming system that provides for itself as well as for the people and animals living in it. Permaculture farming requires a lot of understanding about how different plants and animals interact with each other. It relies on a closed loop system to sustain itself. A closed loop system uh, is a simple process that takes the waste of one organism and uses it to benefit other organisms. Waste is reintegrated as a resource into the self-sustaining system. This system is carefully designed to work without the layout of the farm, to work with the layout of the farm. Farm layout. Permaculture farms are very unique because they are built very personal to the area that they are on. No two farms are alike because each zone is specialized for the layout of the land. Farms are split up into multiple different zones. They are typically organized from Zone 0 to Zone 5, but there can be more or less depending on the size and resources. Lower numbered zones are closer to the house and require more upkeep and care, while higher numbers need to be visited less frequently as they are farther away. Zone 0. Zone 0 includes the homestead and all attached structures to the house. These are greenhouses, compost storages, and other facilities that are attached. Zone 1. Zone 1 will typically have herbal gardens, small animal pens, detached greenhouses, and storages for food and water, as well as composting bins. These places are visited daily to make sure all is going well the way it should. Feeding animals, adding compost, weeding, observing for pests, and much more are the things that will be done here to make sure everything's working well. Zone 2. Zone 2 usually grows the crops that only need to be harvested once a year. This zone includes the annual and perennial fruit trees and plants which will still need to be visited quite frequently. Zone 2 also includes a small pond with fish or have domesticated animals like chickens or beehives. It can also have larger composting systems depending on the layout. This zone includes Zone 3. This zone includes foraging patches for larger livestock like cattle. Zone 3 also consists of orchards, main farming crops like corn, wheat, and barley, larger ponds for water storage, larger trees, and other building structures. The trees in this zone have a cover crop that acts as a live mulch to give nutrients to the roots. This is also known as green mulching. Zone 4. Zone 4 typically has pastures for grazing as well as forests for timber production. This section is considered partly wild and is left for animals to tend to the land. This lets animals control new growth by eating what they choose. This is the last zone, Zone 5. It requires no human intervention. It is a place to be observed by the homesteader to improve design and the layout of the land. It's also a place to watch nature do what it does best without affecting any outside factors. This is nature in its raw form. Permaculture will continue to grow as more and more people are seeing the benefits. With the right knowledge and support, permaculture can help counter harmful farming methods that have proven to be unsustainable. Thank you.